abeji bari kurengigana ni babende bahakanira intebe zitari zimwe na zimwe.
If you violate the constitution, you can be sued and the university can be vicariously liable. That is what I'm doing in the council. My role is simple: abide by the constitution, act intra vires, not atra vires, make sure the university is not vicariously liable.
Try your best to make sure that you do your best to improve the learning and the teaching environment for students to learn.
Take heart, know that you not being the MP of the faculty, you not being the president, you not being the GRC, maybe God is preparing something better for you. So take heart, know that leadership comes from God.
Bamwe omu bahangwire akaruraka baraganise okukora entunguka y'abeegi no kubahwera okushoma emishomo yabo omu buteeka.
Aha students ntushashira omutwaro gwa medical pa semester, but twine university nurse imanya nti abantu bingi kuruga enyuma yona regime zeze nizo bageze okuhandura engejo issue konke yanga urumamba batera mutimba batera.
Jacob Kangume otorinwe kuba mukuru w'abeegi ashabire abarukwebembera university okureta omushomo okuhweraho abeegi okuhwera abeegi bagira obuzubu n'amagara gabo.
So we need to come up with a digital system whereby results will be released, and instead of you coming here when you are off semester to check for your results, you will be using your smartphone or your laptop to access your results.
Abaronzirwe nibija kutebwa mu ofisi ebirabiro na mwenda okwezi kwa mwenda 2023 aho baraterera ebiragiro byabo. Gashakwa Michael atwakire.